Yes, my people, I wan cook pepper soup, tilapia fish pepper soup and plantain. So I don put my fish pepper soup spice. So na my pepper. Just small Cameroon pepper put. Crayfish irú wọn mẹ́rin it is. We need to dey break am before we go use am cook. Some people no know how to use am, dem go just put am like that. Break am, if you no comot the seed, e go dey bitter. So na my maggi cube. So I burn my scent leaf for inside. My people, if you never use scent leaf take cook pepper soup, go try am. Look, for this life, e good more dey eat better food for our belle because na you dey work the money. So leave our food make e done. Yes, fire down, guys. Was almost see the way the velvet come out inside for the soup, inside for the pepper soup. Yes, this one na okegbe pepper soup. You want to know the meaning of okegbe? Well, go eat, my man. Pepper soup wey you go eat, all your body go calm. All these joints wey dey make kwan. All of them go kepre. Madam, e don reach, make you no go finish your pepper soup. Omo, we don cook am. See the way the thing dey raise body, e dey carry body. Omo, wey body make dem clear road. Bye. And the plantain be this one, my people. After I don cook the pepper soup, so I go now pour hot water for the plantain.